The day begins quietly in a small village where life moves slowly and every moment feels unhurried. The house stands simple and grounded, surrounded by open fields and fresh air. Early sunlight touches the walls as the door opens gently. A woman steps outside, holding empty utensils in her hands. She pauses for a moment, breathing in the morning air, then begins walking towards the fields. There is no rush in her steps, only purpose. The fields are green and alive, covered in dew. She bends down, carefully picking fresh vegetables, choosing only what is needed. Her hands get dusty, but her face remains calm. After gathering vegetables, she walks towards a quiet corner where dry wood is stacked. She collects firewood one piece at a time, balancing it in her arms, then slowly heads back home. Inside the kitchen, a soft breeze flows through the window. The space smells of earth and old memories. She sits down on the floor and places spices in front of her. Using a traditional stone grinder, she begins crushing them slowly. With every movement, the aroma deepens, warm, rich, familiar. She washes the chicken with clean water, carefully and patiently. Outside, her husband is returning from his work. His clothes show signs of a long day, but his expression is peaceful. She stands in the courtyard as he arrives. The moment he steps closer, he smiles and says, "What a beautiful smell." She looks up and replies softly, "I'm making biryani today, something special." He nods with a quiet excitement. "Let's do it together. I'll light the fire." The clay stove comes alive as firewood crackles. Flames rise slowly. She places a pan on top, adds ghee, and lowers the flame. Sliced onions go in, turning golden as they cook. The sound fills the kitchen. She adds the meat and spices. The fragrance spreads, mixing with the warm air. He sits nearby, gently blowing air into the stove to keep the fire steady. She steps outside again to clean the rice, washing it thoroughly until the water runs clear. When she returns, she carefully layers the rice over the cooked meat. The pot is sealed for dum. She prepares a thick dough and seals the edges of the pot, ensuring no steam escapes. He places hot coals on top. The kitchen grows warmer. Sweat forms on her forehead, but she stays focused. Outside, he spends a moment with the animals, feeding them, playing gently, enjoying the pause in the day. After some time, she removes the dough seal and checks the rice. The grains are soft, perfectly cooked. She mixes gently. He enters the kitchen and carefully lifts the pot down, treating it with respect. She begins cutting salad, onions, cucumber, lemon. He prepares yogurt, mixing it slowly. Together they arrange the meal in the courtyard. No rush, no noise, just quiet satisfaction. As they sit down, sharing the food they made together, the village remains still. The aroma of biryani drifts into the air, blending with the calm of the afternoon. In that simple moment, happiness feels complete.
अरे वाह, उंगलियां चाटते रह जाओगे। सच में जवाब नहीं तुम्हारे हाथों का।